Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply some transition to all clips on CapCut Mobile. So guys, here I have already imported some clips to my CapCut project, and if you want to apply some transition for all clips on this CapCut project, the first thing you have to do is clicking on the transition button. You can select one of the transition button right here. Then I'm going to tap on this transition button. Then we can select the transition that we want to apply to our clip, and for example, I'm going to select this black fade transition. And if you want to adjust the duration, you can adjust it right here. You can go right to increase the duration, and you can go left to decrease the duration. And if you want to apply the transition to all your clips, you just need to click on apply to all right here. Then sorry guys, then now the transition has been applied to all the clips on our CapCut project. And now we just need to click on this checkmark button, and now let's just take a look at the result. We can tap on this play button to see the result. Okay, and this is the result guys. Okay guys, and that's how we can apply some transition to all clips on CapCut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.